Alkermes employees are united in our deep commitment to great science to develop medicines for people with many unmet needs.
Well, at Alkermes, we leverage our deep-rooted expertise and our experience in neuroscience to develop medicines that really bridge the unmet need for the patients that we serve.
Here at Alkermes, everyone is really connected to the mission and the values that we have. I would say I've recognized that since day one. We know why we're here.
Our core values guide and define our culture as we work together to achieve our purpose.
The values and purpose at Alkermes are more than just words on a page. People who work at Alkermes really embrace these values. It's something that you can just feel when you are working here and on our mission.
As a team, we are expected to adhere to a great science and be strategic in developing medicines that matters to patients.
Alkermes has evolved a lot over the last 20 years. We've been involved in a number of different scientific technologies, and one of the things that we're known for is really adapting and evolving our business model. Our movement now and involvement in proprietary development and drug discovery in CNS is something that will provide us an incredible number of opportunities in the future.
Making the medicine is just one component. We need to have a tremendous collaborative approach. We need to have an unwavering commitment and be truly compassionate to ensure that we are getting the medicines to our patients and to the communities we serve.
Every employee that I've encountered here is absolutely committed to the mission of the organization, committed to having a positive impact on the lives of the patients and their families that we serve.
We want to make therapeutics that will actually change someone's life. That is actually at the very start of any research project that we do. We try to figure out what's the biggest impact that we can make, how would it change someone's life. I think it's one of the most exciting things as a researcher is that we can come up with the ideas that will affect a patient in the long term.
One of the things that we've learned is that realizing the true potential or the full potential of a medicine requires much more than just getting FDA approval for that medicine. It requires understanding how it fits into a complicated treatment landscape for a diverse array of patients and making sure that we do our part to assure these patients get the medicine that they deserve.
Everybody's here with the same objective in mind of we want to help our patients, and that's everybody's main central goal when we come in every day.
I find this idea of patient centricity to be so central to what we do. Everybody's a patient, and you're either dealing with a loved one, yourself, or you will be in the future. So this idea that there are patients and there are us, there is no demarcation between the two.
Thinking about the patients and the families that we're impacting helps bring a lot more purpose to what I do and helps to keep me grounded in what the mission of the company really is.
We have a culture here that is so committed to the patients that we serve. One of our key success factors is the ability to make a real difference in the lives of patients and treatment communities.